How to fix unable to check for update error on iPhone for iOS 18. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Launch your settings app. Enable for the option of airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forgot this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rezone it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, head towards the option of General. Click on the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, disconnect to it. Next, restart your device. Click on the option of Shutdown. Slide the icon to the right to turn off your phone. Wait for a few minutes and then turn it back by clicking on the power button. Lastly, what you want to do is reset network settings. For that, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now go ahead and enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process to reset network settings. By following all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix unable to check for update error on iPhone for iOS 18. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.